Hey guys, welcome to my second video, and we're just going to continue with our code. So as we see, we was create CUISINE and filters, and we was create logo, header, login, create an account, and headline of breakfast place in Mumbai. So we have also created a select location, select, and cuisine, North Indian, South Indian, and Chinese, fast food and street food. So after that, we need to, under this filter, create another option which is called price. So as we can see, I'm not able to access my zip line, so that's why I'm just going to show you through this image. So we must have to create another is called cost for 2. So let's continue with this, and first we're going to achieve this. After that we will see. Okay, we have create here, and now I was give this name. Here it should be the cuisine headline, and of this div we're going to give the class name cuisine. Okay, and just we're going to replace this, just copy it and go to your CSS, and here you can see, just replace this name. Okay, before I start this, I want to show you something which is very important. So go to your headline class name, as you can see here headline. Can you see it? It is headline. Go to your CSS file and see where is the headline. Here you can see. And in previous video we was make it relative. So if I make it relative, let me show it and save it and go and refresh it. Then you can see here in the right side we have another space. Look, but it make our page look very dirty. I think so, it's very bad. So that's why, for solution of this, just go into your headline CSS and position into the position, make it absolute, relative to absolute. After that, save it, and you can see it now. It's has solved it. So now let's move and continue with our tutorial, means assignment, which is going to create another div which is called cost. So div and class name cost of, I think what was the title for this one? It's cost for 2. So cost for 2, and close it, enter, and now give another create another paragraph, and with the name of class inside the paragraph, let's create a class, and it should be the name cost, for easily understand cost. Okay, we have create and give the headline, get write content inside the paragraph, cost for 2. Okay, so cost for 2, I think it's okay, look like cool. And now we're going to just print your this cosines label and input, just copy it, and here inside the div cost for 2, it's in this which we have created right now. So just paste here, and type box make, what should we make, radio. So if we going to do select by this one, then this will take lots of time. So for that, just press your keyboard on your keyboard Alt button and just tap here and Control Z. Okay, yeah. So tap hold Alt on your keyboard button, just select a input where is written checkbox. We should need to remove the checkbox and make it to radio button. So just here you can see it now. It's doing one task in a multiple okay, 1 minute. Okay, as you can see, now we can make change with all input. So just type here radio type. Our input type now is radio. So save it, and now refresh our browser. Take a look how it's looking. As you can see here, we have created another cost for 2. Okay, let's move, and we want to if you look this cost for 2, it's really overlapped to the street food. So we want to push it a little bit down, and from left to 20 pixel. As you can see, it must be it's equal to this line. Okay, so how to achieve this? So for this, we're going to just cost for 2, copy it and go to your assignment, CSS file, and just tap and give it. And let first we're going to make it position relative. Okay, relative. After that make it relative. After that, we're going to give left 20 pixel. Left 20 pixel, and save it. And now refresh it. Now you can see this all inside, which content inside the div was floated to left. Exactly, it's margin to left 20%. So we want to only merge this text cost for 2. So for that, just remove it and just go to your HTML file, and you can see your paragraph. Under the paragraph, we was create also a class name with cost. So copy it, go and paste here the name of class, and now control and save. Now we're going to refresh it. As you can see, now it's on the right position. It's all text on the right position, and we should need to remove this. We should need to move this down a little bit. So for that, we're just going to, and if you think that can you give it the padding, so we can use also the padding. For example, we're just going to give the padding 10 pixel. Okay, let me see what happened. If you can see here, look, it's totally too much. We just want a little bit space between it. So just go and define its top pixel 10, and left should be the 0 pixel, and bottom should be the 10 pixel only. Sorry, 5 pixel is enough, I think so. Just go and save it, and let's refresh our browser. Take a look. As you can see, I think we must have to define a little bit more. Okay, right also 10 pixel. So let's go, and I think it is the top, and then right, and then left, bottom, then left, right. So we're just going to hit save and refresh our browser. Oh yeah, I think we should need to the left. We should need to increase the left side, so 20% here, and we're going to refresh it. Okay, and we just want to move a little bit down it because it's too much space between it. So for that we're just going to the top, and we can also give here top 20, I think so. It should be the work, right? As you can see here, and just refresh it. Yes, it is. Okay, it is working. I think a little bit more, 13 pixel. Let it make 13 pixel top, and now refresh it. How it's look? Okay, now it's look fine, and we should need to move our next challenge. So our next challenge is create another shot, and we doesn't have to given a right. Look, the both element looking same, the North Indian, South Indian here also, but here we should need to cost. So let's go and define less than 500 to the 1000 to the 15,000 to the 20,000, and after that in last 20,000 plus. So here we go. Simple, it's simple. Just go and here we should need to type step by step because we cannot change it multiple at one time. So less, then I'm going to use symbol here. We're not going to use any specific code, just symbol, I think so, and currency. As you can see here, enter it, and you can code it very easily. So you can copy it. It will work for our it's not working. Why is not working? Copy, select it, and just copy the symbol of rupees, and after that put it here 500 as we saw in according to our project. And after that here we should need to clean this and just paste here symbol of, and then 500 to 1000, right? And we forget to put here sign of RS, and now as you can see, and after that we just going to the complete it step by step. 1000 to paste our rupees symbol, and after that 15,000, 1500, sorry, 1500, not 15,000. And after that remove this fast food and paste, sorry, I remove also the closing tag. Okay, so after that paste here symbol of rupees and 15,000, sorry, 1500 to 2000, sorry, 2000. And after that our last one is paste your symbol here of rupees and 200 plus. what I think 200 plus, as we can see. And now hit save. Now we're going to our browser and you can refresh, then you can get, look, wow, it's looking so good and so pretty. And we have a last one which is called sort. As we can see in our image here, we still need to create a sort. So for sort, let's go to the move to the and create. I want to remove this space. Exactly, it's too much space. Okay, here, take him. Yeah, and now we're going to create another div with a class name sort. Okay, and now we're just going to move into the here and just create inside the what we're just going to create paragraph. And why we should need to create here paragraph exactly? Why we not give it headline? It will give a much good looking h4. Just remove it p and give it h4. And after that, we also here we're going to remove it. It will give much better effect on web page. After that, we're going to show you. Yeah, I was forgetting to put it. So here and now class, sorry, with the class of name class, and after that hit class, and just going to name it sort headline, right? Okay, right, and just div, and we have give this headline short, put the element content, sort. We have done almost. We are going to complete our filter arrangement. Okay, now we're going to just take two input and two level, total is 4, copy it and just paste inside the sort div, as you can see here. Okay, save it and let's go to the browser and refresh it. As you can see, oh my god, it's totally become unerasable. As you can see, it's too much. So we're going to we're not going to give it much time, so we're just going to remove it and put it p. I was thinking that it's cool. Some things are happening here which is I really don't know. Let me see what's happened with it. Oh, sorry, here it's 4 should be. Now I go to the refresh to the browser then. Oh yeah, but it's still looking so bored. Where was it? Yes, it's here. And now we're going to the face, refresh our browser, then yeah, we got it. And you can see here it is sort is I think he is angry with other element exactly, so that's why he just go out of. So we must have to go and just copy the name which we was given in sort under the sort headline. What was the name? It was the name sort headline. It's created and just give make it position relative. First we should need to define its position. After that we're going to give left, sorry, we just why not give it padding exactly as we done with another. So here it's cost. Okay, we're going to see, and here paste here. I'm just going to oversee how it's look like. As we can see, yeah, we got it, but it's take much bigger space than we expect. So we're just going to define it by left 20 pixel and save it, and after that top 20 pixel. I hope it will work, and save it, and just go and refresh your browser. Yeah, as you can see, it's working now. It's really cool, as you can see. Yeah, and we are now, we have done we have done filter, and now we going to create a side here, and another one is here. So for that, we're going to create another div. So let's go and create, and go to let's move to our HTML file folder, and just go inside the layout. Yeah, we are under the layout, and we are under the filter exactly, not under the layout. So here is, now we're just going to create div. So with the class name side upper, it will for uppers, and another one is div with the class name side bottom. So let's move to our CSS code and give it height and width. So for example, for it, we're going to move here and just dot and paste its name, and we're just going to define. First, we're going to give it background color. It will make easy to notable us. So for this, we're going to give it color a little bit dark blue, and after that, we're just going to create its height. At GST height should be the 251 pixel, and width 800 pixel. So done, and now we going to hit save, and we just want to see in our browser how it's look like right now. Where is it? Oh, you can see here, it's here under to the filter. So let's make it something better, make its position. So left, we're just going to define its position should be relative. Okay, and after that, we're just going to the put left 450 pixel. I think it's much better. Let me see how it's look like. Okay, right now we achieve these positions, and we just going to move, and we should need to move it top and come to the its level, its filter. Okay, we should need to bring it here. Okay, so for this, we're just going to the here and enter top. Sorry, we should need to bottom, go to the bottom, and 500 pixel, 550 pixel. I think it should work. and just refresh our browser, then you can see here we bring it into the equal to the its filter height, as you can see here. And now we're going to with another divs. So we're going to create another div which is called with what we was given name of this other side bottom. So just copy here, copy from here and copy it and just go and paste here, as you can see. And just we're going to put background color tomato, and after that we're just going to make it position also relative, and after that it's going to height same 251 pixel. Okay, and another one is should be the width. How much? Width should be the 800 pixel, right? Okay, and now we're going to merge left. How much? 500. How was 550 pixel? Okay, and another one is bottom. We're going to push from the bottom to up, so that's why I'm using bottom 400 pixel. So as we can see, now refresh our browser, you can see it, look, but it's really big distance between one and to the another. So to remove this space we still need to push from the bottom little bit more. For that just going to give another, yes, and just refresh. As you can see, we should need to also reduce this space between upper and bottom. So we're just going to give it 500 pixel, and sorry, it's 5000, it's 500 now, and just move to the browser and refresh it. Yeah, I think it's good and on the right positions, but yeah, I think so. And now we're going to create a content inside this div. So when we create one, it will, before we create a content inside this, let's move it. How can we do it? So first we should need to headline. What was the headline? Let's do the move to our reference, and the first headline should be the big chili cakeri. Okay, so first one we should need to give its image. Okay, image. So for that we should need to move, for insert image in this, we should need to move Edureka and Edureka, as you can see. And now go to the my course, we need to help up Edureka, and after that we're going to the mentorship season. Inside the season here HTML, second HTML, one HTML code, and as we can see here is image. So we're just going to copy this folder, or you can cut it, and we're just going to the open our folder where we are coding, where we have saved our file is exactly assignment and CSS here, and just paste here. As we can see here the image. Now we are ready to put image on our website. So for that, go and just create image tag. Okay, just image tag and just give it source src, and what was the name of folder? Image. Look, we should need to the we still need to focus on one thing, that is we should need to provide the same names as we given of the folder name. So here you can see it should be not missed any word. As you can see here, EIMAGES. So everything you should need to carefully look here. If there are any capital, then we should need to also type their capital. If their all letter is in small, then we going to put all letter in small. So let's go. The first letter was I think big, and then after that is MAGES, image. After that slash, and just we're going to get what is the inside the, what was the folder name? Folder name is breakfast, and its item types is JPG. If you don't know how to see what is the extension of this file, just click right on the mouse and just go to in property, and you can see it very here you can see it, the type of file is JPG. So now we know what is our file type and what is the name of this image of the file is actually image of file with the name. What is the name of image is breakfast. So let's go move to the our HTML file and just go and give it an breakfast.jpg. Let me see again. I want to confirm is my spelling is right or wrong. Okay, yeah, I think so. I have done it. Yeah, breakfast.jpg. Let's save it, and sorry, before save here, look if there is any mistake, close it. After that, hit save. Just refresh your browser. As you can see, our image is here, but we should need to define it height and width. So for that, we just going to the target our image. Just here write img tag and height should be 200 pixel and width 100 pixel, and border radius 20 pixel. Save it and just go to the browser and refresh it. Oh my god, it looks so boring. So for that, we're just going to the reduce our height, just give it 100 pixel, go and refresh it. As you can, now it's come into the shape, and as we can see here, if you can look, then look this in the upper side from left, it's something merged between spaces between this border and image, between image this border, between image and border. You can see here space little bit, and upper down both. So for that, we can do with so many way. We can make it position relative, or we can do it easily by the giving its padding to round it. So 10 pixel and 10 pixel and 10 pixel and 10 pixel. Here we go. Just refresh, save it, and just go to the browser and refresh it. As you can see, we have little bit of space between it, but we need to more. So for that, this is our top. So top should be 20 pixel and left should be the 20 pixel. Okay, just save, hit save, and move to your browser and refresh it. Oh, if you can see, we lost our radius. If you can see it, why it's happened, because I think we should need to provide everywhere 20 pixel. Let me save it and hit save and refresh it. As you can see, we lost our radius. For we don't want to lose, so we're not going to use our padding. So we're going to use position relative, and after that left. It make easy. Left 20 pixel. Here 20 pixel, right? And top also 20 pixel. And we just going to the refresh. As we can see, we now able to keep our radius, and also we can push it left from the border. Now I want to give its headline. So for that, if you want to do, if you can see here, we just want to copy this image tag and just keep inside the side bottom 2. Save it and refresh. Now we have image on both. So let's go. We're going to do headline. So what is our headline of this first? Upper. On the upper is the big chili cakery. Okay, just going to the big chili. It was chill or chili. Let me see what is the spelling. Chill. Okay, chill cakery. Cakery. I don't know what you are. If I spell miss word, then please forgive me. And I'm just going to the upper headline. I want to keep everything very simple, so that's why I'm giving the name bigger. It will be make easy to identify. Okay, and we're going to copy it and just paste to the other div, to the bottom here. Paste here and just make it what was the second headline. As we can see here, the back shop. So just remove this word and write here back shop. Okay, now we have done, and just refresh our browser how it's looking like. As you can see here, it's come after the image exactly and down it. So we should need to bring it here. Okay, here. So for that, let's go and copy this class name and go to the CSS and just target this class, paste here, and just make it position relative. Positions relative. Float left, make left float. So for that, 100 pixel I think enough. So let me see and save it and refresh on the browser. As you can see, we have moved it from the border 100 pixel, but I think we should need to bring it here. Okay, so bring for here, I think 50 pixels more, I think is enough for it. 50 pixels, let me see. Yeah, I was done. So now we need to bring it up. So for that, just going to top, bottom, use bottom. We should need to push from the bottom. Why we using bottom? You can see here it is, we should need to bring it up. So we should need to push from the down. So that's why I'm using bottom. So the bottom, we should need to push up 100 pixel. Let me see what it's make or not. What is the effect going to show? Yeah, it's much. I think it's very big amount for it. We should need to bring it here. Okay, for that we're just going to we remove it 100 and make it 50 here. And now refresh the browser. As you can see, yeah, little bit more up, I think 60 pixel. Just we're going to refresh it. Yeah, we bring it here. I think a little bit more up. Yes, we can do this here and just move. We're going to see our reference. Yeah, I think so. Probably we have achieved this position, so but it should be a little bit down according to the reference. Yep, as we can see, yes, now we achieve. And now as we can see in our image, look here, the font also in the bold, and after that swap point plot. So we're going to write both. For that, we're going to move our HTML file, and inside the first we're going to write in the upper, and h4 we're going to use h4 tag for this. And what was the fort, F-O-R-T, and give its class name fort, and it will be easiest notable. We can find it easy, we can find it. And another one is paragraph P, which is going to give it class name address. I think it's look like address something. Yes, address. And we should need to type here, what was the image, can we see? Yes, SOP 1 plot D. Okay, first we're going to write here SOP 1, and after that comma plot D. Okay, what is the after that? After that we're just going to do samruddhi, whatever is there. We're just going to press comma and after that, what is this? Another word is complex, double D. Okay, I missed another thing is that double D here is not double H. Yeah, samriddhi complex, right? Complex. And after that, what was the other word? The other word is chincholi. Wow, I never heard such type address before. Chincholi, I don't know. Chincholi. If I misspell, you can means fix it. Okay, and now after that dot. There are 3 dot, and we put here 3 dot. And just we're going to copy both and just paste inside the side bottom. Did I miss anything? No. Okay, here we go. Let's refresh our browser. As we can see here, I think it's not even much. I just need to change the background. So for that, we're going to here and make it lighter. The color is yellow. Okay, now it should be notable. Let's go to refresh it. As you can see, yeah, it's more notable than before, and we should need to bring it here. So for that, here we should need to bring it up there. So I'm just going to the our HTML folder. As we can see here, font, why we not both are on the same positions? Just I think why we not get it the, sorry, we're just going to give it the both name font. Okay, we also going to change it font. Okay, save it. I'm just going to target it here and just give it class name here. I'm just going to be make it position relative, and after that left, how much we was give margin left to the upper headline is 150 pixel, so we also going to give it 150 pixel. Okay, now what was the bottom? We will do first, we need to see our browser how it's looking. Okay, now we have achieved these positions, and just we going to push from the bottom to the up. And so for that, bottom, right bottom, and just push from the bottom. How much? Let me give it, I was give on the upper head a 17. Why not just give 16 pixel? I think so. It should work here, and go and refresh it. As we can see, yeah, we achieve, but it should be little bit under, or it's okay. I think it's okay. Let me see the reference page. As we can see here, yes, it's looking cool, I think so. And now as we can see, yes, it is. And now we should need to create here HR. So move to our HTML folder, and now before the paragraph give HR. Okay, also bottom side HR. Now refresh our browser. Let me see how it's, yeah, it's cool. We need to move it here up a little bit closer to it. So for that, we're just going to the our CSS folder, and here target our HR, and now make it position also relative. No, it's make absolute, make it absolute position. And after that we're going to define it. It's make big challenge, so why we not make it simple? So just put it a relative and define it at width 100 pixel. How much we have to give into the width? Our upper side, it is 80, and we should need to give it, I think, the 18. If we do half of 18, then it's 600 pixel. I think it's enough for it. Just go and refresh our browser, then we can see here, yeah, it's just move from its right positions. So we should need to bring it into the center. For that, left, and we should need to push from the left, that then it will come to right. So for that we using left. So left, we're going to push from left 200 pixel. Okay, so let's refresh our browser. Yeah, I think so, but I should need to increase it width size. As we can see here, make it 7. Now refresh our browser, as we can see, and now reduce is left side margin. Just going to make it 20 pixel. Here, save it and just refresh our browser. Then yeah, we achieve it. And now it's make to the closure. We should need to bring it here. So what we're gonna use? Bottom. We should need to push from it bottom to the top. So that's why we're going to use bottom, okay, 100 pixel. We're going to give it. Let me see what happened. Oh my god, it's very big amount. And just we want to reduce it, make it 50. How much it right now? Okay, it should be a little bit down more. So for that we're going to use 30 pixel. As we can see here, yes, it is now on the right position. And now we have done our another challenge. Now move to our next challenge is to create here CUISINE, as we can see here. Yeah, here bakery and price and CUISINE's cost for 2. And for that we're going to use table. What we're going to use? Table. So we're going to create another div. No, we're not going to create another div. Just inside the upper and bottom. First we're going to create into the upper. Just type it table. Okay. Inside the table we're going to first define td, which is the td CUISINE, or make it capital, CUISINEs, and after that we're going to give it heading th, and we're going to write what was the heading of the CUISINE is bakery. So bakery. If I spell wrong, please forgive me for it. I think we done it. Let me see our reference image. Yes, here you can see. Yeah, and now we should need to create another one, cost for 2 and rs, and just we're going to sorry for this one is tr. We forget to tr here, and just copy it. See, and after the okay, we're just going to copy it, tr, td and th, and just paste after that, and just remove it and make right here cost for 2, and after that we're just going to the right here rs 700. So for that rs we're going to use symbol. For symbol in window, how to get symbol? Just press your start button and greater than symbol. Here is a symbol, as you can see. Here is a recently used. We was use rupees. So now we're going to give the value of rupees is 700. Okay, right? And now we're going to save it. We just create the inside the side upper div, not inside the bottom. So wait for it and just go into the browser and refresh it. As you can see, we have created it. So as you can see here, look it. And now for this also we're going to just copy the table tag, hold it and just copy it, and just after the hr into the side bottom, paste here. As we can see, refresh your browser. Now you can able to see in the bot, right? And we are pretty close to complete it, right? And yeah, let's move. We so need to bring it here and make a little bit space between this, and I think something missing we are. Yeah, here is a 2 I think here we are forgetting to put something. It's gone hyphen. Now save it, and we just want to target our what we should need to target. We're just going to target our table. So table, yeah, go to the CSS and just target our table here, table, and make it position relative, and just left, what, left. And now I want to make sure it's recording or not. Yes, it is. So here left 100 pixel, and just save it, hit save and place here, because you can see it's move, we can move it. And now we should need to the reference our how much distance. It's the similar to the it, and it's here, it's similar to the it, but it's little bit more than it. This should be the space between it should be much bigger than it. So just we're going to put here and just make it 20 pixel left, and just refresh your browser. As you can see here, yeah, right now we have achieved it, but we should need to push from the bottom to up. So for that we're just going to use bottom 20 pixel up. I think it is enough, right? And for this we're just going to here and just refresh it. As you can see, we achieve it. Our yes, we should need to also give it only 10 pixel, I think enough for it. And we're going to achieve, and we are about to complete our assignment. As you can see, yeah, we are, but we're going to make little bit space between it. So for that we're just going to target, I think I something miss to put here also. Just going to hyphen and press save. And we still need to, if you can see on the browser, we still need to make a space between it, and this is our TD, and this is our, this one is bakery, and RS is TH. So for that, why we cannot target our TH only? So here go to your CSS and just here TH and make it position relative. After that we just need to push little bit left, from the left to the right, 10 pixel, I think enough. Just go and refresh your browser. Look, yeah, we can. And a little bit more, I think need the space between it. So for that we just go to the move, and we're going to here and just give it 20 pixel, I think enough. Yes, now we can see achieve it. But if you can see in our reference, there is a price is similar to the similar position of the bakery. So for that we're just going to do another thing to achieve that. For that we're just going to put inside the th a class name, and just give class name rupees, okay, and just copy the class all and give it into the also on upper side. So here you can see here, yeah, paste here, and we're just going to target our rupees. Now we're just going to target our rupees. For that dot, and after that rupees. Here we're going to push from the right, make it position relative, and after that push from right, JST right, and little bit, I think 2 pixel is much, very much, and just save it and go to your browser and refresh. Oh, there is nothing happen anything, and we just why not push the right 10 pixel. Let me see what happened. Nothing happened. So make sure you have saved your HTML file. After that, just move to your CSS file and then go to and refresh it. Oh, it's not making any change. So what we can do is actually just take a look and give position is left. What if I make it absolute? No, I don't want to make it absolute. We just want to create a 100 pixel. If I give large value, then it's so there is nothing change. I think we have a little bit problem with this. I think so. Rupees T, there is th. What we can do is actually for that achieve this rupees th. It's not working. So what we can do exactly? So it was working, bro. Why it's not working? Let me see again. Okay, I'm just going to change it position to relative to the absolute. Let me see it's happening or not. Yes, absolute. And just go to the browser and refresh it. Yeah, it's working. And we're just going to our CSS and just remove this. We just want to see how it's behaving without any margin. So just press it, remove the right and just hit save and just look. Yes, it's here now. We should need to push from the left side. So go to under the rupees and left. How much is 100 pixel? I think it's much. And now and refresh your browser. As you can see is pretty close to achieve our which we expect. So we should need to increase this value 50%, more pixel added, and now refresh it. Oh my god, we doesn't want to look like this. What we can do for that, why we don't define its width 100 pixel. Let me see what happened. Oh yeah, and just move it and just going to 100 pixel here. If you can see, okay, now a little bit push more and refresh it. Okay, we just give it 10 pixel, then 110 pixel, then what happened? Going to push it. Yeah, we achieve which we really want, and we have completed this challenge. Now as you can see here, it is similar to its position under this, and now we have also the both are in the right positions. And if you can see, it's little bit space between them. Here you can, if you see, yeah, here just for that we're just going to give padding to the TD. For TH and TD both TD. We're just going to give its padding a little bit. We're going to give its padding 2 pixel. It's enough, I think so. Just go refresh to your browser, then see your channel. You can see here now we should need to give more. I also want to give the padding inside the TH 2 pixel. As we can see, Now refresh your browser, then you can see, yes, we have padding, and but it's oh my god. So for that, a little bit decrease the oh, I got it. 2 pixel top, we don't want to give any pixel to the top, and and after that left, we don't want to give any pixel, and right, sorry, we don't want to give any pixel, and left we also don't want to give any pixel, just bottom we want to give it. So here, save it and just refresh. As we can see, yeah, we got it. And if I increase the value, then we can notice that. And let's give it 5 pixel. Go to your browser and just, wow, my god. Oh, is that anything which is I remember? Notice that is going to be 0 here, and here the 5 pixel or 3 pixel here, right? Just move and go to the browser and just, but I think I'm going to stick it with, but we have achieved it, right? And we're just going to remove this padding. I don't need it. Well, we have achieved our assignment, as you can see here, right? But it's a little bit get messy, but we just want to remove this padding. I don't understood this very well why it's happening, but we don't want to increase any challenge. Just remove it, and as we can see, refresh our browser, then we can see it's looking pretty good. But as we can see here, we was given this, but it's not looking like over there. So just refresh. Now we have achieved it, and we just want to give a padding to the both. 10 pixel to the th or td, but everything is looking cool, and we have achieved this now, as we can see here. And now we just need to remove it. We're just going to work on color. So now it's time to change its background color. So tomato should be the white, and filter also white, and now yellow should be the white. White, right? And save it, and just also make tomato white. Okay, okay, white. Now just we going to the our browser and refresh it, how it's look like. Oh, whole thing is look like so boring. And just we're going to give its box shadow. So first we're going to give its box shadow into the filter. So filter, go to the filter and box shadow, 0 pixel top, and right is with 3 pixel, and down it's with the 5 pixel. Just to save it. In color, for that choose very carefully the color. So for that we just going to this, go to your search, Google search panel, just type there color picker. as we can see here. Just go and to the here. Yes, W3 school is the best place where you can find, and just tap here gray. Okay, and we just going to the much lighter BB3. I think is cool. BB3 for shadow is cool. Yeah, it is. And for that we're just going to the BB3 BF. So just here BF. I think it's cool. That's to the move to the browser and refresh it how it's looking our assignment. As you can, yes, it's notable, very good. As without that, so now we're just going to the move to the our HTML and CSS folder and just copy this value, just paste under the side upper, pass it and under to the side bottom, paste here, and now save and go to your browser and refresh it. As you can see, now we should need to change our background color. For that we should need to go to the again on our browser and go to the color picker. There is little bit this type of color is totally to the green, I think so. If we going to the here and just want to the bring online image color picker, the other website which is called imagecolorpicker.com. so here you can use your image. So for that we just going to the use our image. For that we going to the use this image for the color picker. For that we just going to the move our download folder and going to the gaming page, and here just select it, open it, and now we have it, right? And you can got it an ffb. As you can see here, ffb, copy it value and just go to your CSS folder and go to the layout. Where? Go to the layout. Where is the layout? Layout up to filter, layout. Where is our layout exactly? I think we doesn't use here layout. Yes, we doesn't use here layout. For that we just go to the here, and as you can see we doesn't, yeah, here is layout, and just copy it, just go to the, and before the filter here dot and paste the name and just here and give it background color, which was we take it from layout, it was the FB, right? It was the color. Now I can show you different between them. So go to your browser and go to our assignment panel and refresh. As you can see here, any notable, I don't think is there any notable, but it is. Now we have complete almost our almost assignment, and now we should need to create here number pad. For that, if you can see carefully here is a 2 box is checked. So how to achieve that? So for this is our challenge. Now we're going to achieve this. The South and Chinese, it's already checked. So for that, go to your go to the North Indian input and just write check it. Refresh it and just move here and refresh your browser. Then you can see here, oh, we should need to check it's Chinese and we do wrong, so we should need to remove it from here. Okay, now here North Indian, so check it. And also here lots of work, bro, but we're not going to do all things in this tutorial. We're just going to achieve our project design. Okay, save it and let's go and refresh our browser. Then you can see here, yes, there are two South Indian and Chinese has been checked out. It's already. And after that we're going to bring here our notepads. For that we're just going to create another div inside the layout div. I'm going to give this, I'm just going to give big div classes. Class name I'm just going to give is number because we're going to put here number. This inside we're going to use list. We're not going to use any a tag exactly, just we just want to achieve our design. So after that I'm going to I'm going to use list tag, and there we should need to going to use how much we should need to use number. Wait, let me see first. For that we're going to see our image, reference image 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and after that 7. For that 7, so first one is greater than. Just going to copy it all and just paste here. After that paste here, after that paste here, after that paste here. 1 2 3 4 5, after that 6 7, and now after that is less than, after that is 5, and after that is 4, after that is 3, after that is 2, after that is 1. Right, let's save it and just be going to the our HTML CSS folder here. Did I save it? Yes, save and refresh to our browser. As we can see here, where is it? Can we see? Yeah, here it is all here. So for that we're just going to the here's our class name. What was the definer we was name? Number, and this we're going to the bring before make it position relative. Oh, sorry, relative, and after that left. How much? 300 pixel. No, we should not use the same of as we use it in side. The left is 450 pixel to bring to the center. So let's refresh our browser, then we can see it. Now it's here and top, and we just going to target our list, and the list should be the list style none, but I think it should do the work on the li. Let me see. Yes, it is working. And display in line. Let me see. refresh, as you can see it's in line. And just to give its border color, border 1 pixel solid. After that we're going to use same color BFBF. Okay, and now go to your browser and refresh. As you can see here we have and we just want to give its padding, exactly padding 10 pixel. Let me see what happened. Yeah, it is bigger than before. 10 pixel. Margin, if we use margin 2 pixel between them, then let me see what happened. Refresh your browser, as you can see here. Yes, and now I should need to give it more margin. 5 pixel is enough. Let me see. Yes, I think, yeah, it's look like great. And now we should need to make it radius, border radius, sorry, border radius 10 pixel. Let's see how it's look like. Go and refresh it. Then as you can see, yeah, we achieve it. And we should need to bring it here. So for that we're just going to push from the bottom. For that we're just going to push from the bottom. We're going to give it 500 pixel. They look how it's looking. Just go and refresh your browser. Oh my god, it's much closer to that. So for that we just decrease this value and give it 400 pixel. Then okay, it is acceptable, but not yet. We should need to give more, 50%. Then we just going to see what happened. Yes, it is now acceptable. And we should need to left give it 600 pixel. Then what happened? Go to the browser, refresh it, save it and refresh it. Yeah, I think we have done. We done it? No, we don't think so. We just need to push it a little bit more. So for that we're just going to the here and give it 650 pixel and just click refresh it. Yes, we have done. Why it's so much space in here down? Okay, we just as we can see here in our browser, our one number is selected. It's much rounder than 8. So for that padding should be border radius should be the 5 pixel. 5 pixel, right? And after that save it, and just we're going to refresh our browser. As we can see, yes, it is. And now we should need to define its left right both padding. So for that it's top, and after that is left is much bigger than it, 5 pixel, and bottom is 10 pixel, and after that 15 pixel. Let me see how it's look. As we can see here, yes, it is looking cool. Oh, right, yes, it is. And now we should need to go and color it background. The first one, we should need to target the first list. Our is the first, and here bring the name, class, and give number one. Here, just go to your CSS, tap here number 1, and just give its background color. We want to give it BFF. Let me see how it's look like. Go and refresh your browser. As we can see, yeah, we achieve it. We have achieved our, so we can see here, yeah. So for that, if we are confused, for just go to your image and just select this color, right? And now we are able to copy it. So just copy it value and go to your CSS folder. Just remove this and give its value, as we can see, and go to your browser and refresh here. Oh, it's much darker. I think it's not cool. I'm just going to give it the value which I was given it before. Yeah, I hope we have completed it, but here a little bit more thing which I really need to notice, that you should need to notice that, and you can achieve it by yourself. And for that, if you can see here, we have lots of space in down. So why it happened? So for that, let me see how much we have given space for our filter. So we're just going to give a filter with filter, yes, filter. We just give here with 200, sorry, height given is 250, 81. So that's for this width. I'm just going to define item 700 pixel, and now we're just going to our browser and refresh it. As we can see, it's nothing happen anything. So what is the cause of that? And what is the cause of that? What's the cause of that? Number is good. We didn't define the width and height exactly, so leave it. I think it's cool. We have done it exactly. We doesn't need to do anything. I hope you guys understood very well. If you're not, if you have still any query, then you can comment and I will going to help you. And I really love to help you guys. I really love to. And if you get any problem, if you're stuck at, please comment. I will going to help you. Okay. So for we have achieved our assignment, as you can see here. Little bit here we should need to give it shadow on the number pad. So for that, we just going to the CSS and just target our list and just right here box shadow 2 pixel top. No, we don't need to give on the top. 2 pixel to the 3 pixel should be the left and 2 pixel to the down and 0 pixel. Let's, and color should be the what is the color? FFB. Yes, just give it FFB. Here we go. Just save it and just go to the browser, refresh your browser, then you can see it. Yes, here we have achieved our assignment, as we can see in the reference. But we can see very carefully there is a much larger, I think larger shadow, so we can decrease it by using point. You can make it 1 pixel and it will be a little bit, not even, not much, as you can see here, right? And we are pretty close to this, yes, as you can see here. And now we have done our assignment, and if you can see here, we should need to change this color to change the color. We just move to our assignment and go to the color picker and just tap here. As you can see here, the font color is different here. Look, and copy this value, go to your HTML folder, CSS folder, and go to your headline. First headline our was header first. Just going to the here filter headline, change this color, remove it, and just here paste. And we also going to change select location color. Here we're just going to change headline color should be also change it, and every text color should be this which we have right now. Copy, and for this okay, so we have done color. Are we done? Cost, label, headline, and also was the CUISINE headline. So for that we also going to use color. Just paste here this color, and cost short headline also it should be the color. Paste here, and side upper image headline. Whenever you see headline, color it with this value. Okay, and if you see our yes, here at th, it's also get its color. Okay, and now we're just going to move and list. Now we have done, and now save it and refresh our browser. Then we can see a change, and we can see, look, we have colored, and now it's look much pretty than ever. So I hope you got it. And now if you can see, I just need to, if you can see, I'm just going to upload another image. I want to give its color look better. So for that, just here go and go to the yes, here, and as we can see, and pick this color, and just we're going to copy it and go to our CSS folder and go to the header. As you can see here, background color red. To clean it, change into this color, and also we should need to change to the logo font color. So for that, just here paste the value which we pick up from the image picker. So go to your browser and refresh it. Now you can see, wow, it's look pretty cool. Now it's looking very pretty cool. Then I hope you can also build it, and this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and still if you have any query, please let me know in the comment box. If you can see another thing I got noticed, that here you can see here this color of the South Indian, North Indian, it's, and of the questions, it's, and a pH is very different. So for that, we're also going to change it color. Go to your color picker and bring to the cursor. I think much pixel is here. Yes, just copy this value and go to your CSS folder, and as we can see, our label, right? It was the label color. We're just going to paste here value which we have to copy it, and now refresh our browser. Let me see what is happened. As you can see, we achieve much as we can see in our project here inside left side. Here you can see it. Now also we should need to change of this color and this color. This is TD and this is P. So for that, go to your CSS and go to your TD. I'm sorry, there is not TD, but we should need to write here just before TH. We're just going to write here TD, and after that color. We're just going to change only color, nothing going to do with it, and just paste here color, and go to your browser and refresh it. As you can see, we have achieved this, and now we should need to go to it, and for that we're going to HTML and just want to find what is the font. Okay, font, but if we should need to give the another name, then it will be changeable for this font 1, right? And now for this we just go to the here and just define another is just step here and font 1, just to give it color. Do not do it with anything with this class name, okay? Just and paste here, and now we can see different as we can see here. Oh damn, oh no, don't do that, don't do that. Let me see first where the font. Font, yes, here. Just copy the old value of this, right, and just bring here and paste here, right, and just refresh your browser, then you can see it is now on the right position as we can see. And if you want to give it a little bit space star bottom to just remove it, just give it a 50 pixel, it's enough for this. Okay, now we have complete our tutorial. I think it's a little bit darker, it's notable or not, I don't know, but as we can see in our reference page, yes, it is same color but it's a little bit darker. So we can get help through the image picker. Go to the image picker, and if you're going to see this little bit, oh god, yes, it is. Go to copy this value and just go to your CSS panel, and here you can see here, yeah, I'm sorry, see here, paste the value. I think it's much notable, and also into the TD, yes, right. Go and to your browser and refresh it. As you can see, it is much notable than before. And yeah, we have done it. Thank you very much. I'm not going to make it any tutorials more. Thank you very much.